Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing for the change. Backup saves and link your account so you can undo anything if needed. Once done, locate the in-game region selector or the platform's geotag. This is the field you will alter. Make sure you know the target region code or server cluster name and enable a VPN if required. This forces location routing. Also check and note your device time zone and language, because mismatches can block region switches later on. Now perform the middle steps carefully. Connect your VPN to the exact city or country of the desired geo-rank to minimize ping variance and signal the platform you are elsewhere. Next, change the in-game region or server selection, update your profile locale, and set the device time zone to match. That prevents server-side rejections. If the game stores local configs, edit the region entries, and then clear the app cache or temporary files. This forces the server. Finish by restarting the game and the platform so all services reevaluate your location. Once done, check that the new geo rank or server appears in settings. You should run a quick match or a network test to confirm acceptable latency, and that matchmaking reflects the new region. If rank placement does not update, make sure the VPN endpoint is stable, clear persistent data again, and, if necessary, restore your backup and try a different server. This troubleshooting step resolves most region switch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.